Hi, I am Dr. Rajasekhar M R from Chirag Global Hospitals, Nagar, Bangalore, which is a super specialty hospital for piles, fissures and fistulas. People ask a simple question, how much time I must spend in the toilet? It's a very funny question because it depends on the urge and how much time you take to evacuate. So instead of that, I'll put this way. If somebody is spending too much time in a toilet, that means his bowel movements are not proper. So most of the people will go to toilet because time is up, because they have to go back to their work or they have to go to school, something like that, office. So even if they are not getting urge, they try to go to the toilet and try to apply a lot of pressure. So then, because the reflex has not yet developed, they'll have to sit for a long time in the toilet. So the best thing to do is wait till it becomes urgent. If you know that it is now the reflex has started, then go to toilet and evacuate. For some of them, it will not be coming in a single shot. They pass a little amount of motion, majority of it, and still they feel that something is remaining, and they try to evacuate by giving more pressure or pressing over the abdomen. Some people try to put their finger inside the rectum. Don't do all that. You finished the reflex, you feel that it is over, get up, wash and come out. Maybe after half an hour, 15 minutes, whatever it is, you get once more an urge to pass, clear it off. The best way is, if people have got that, they have to pass 2-3 times. After passing the first stool, if they drink a little warm water, and then if they do some sort of yoga asanas, it will stimulate the bowel and completely it will clear the rest of the bowel movement. So that is a better way than applying pressure and using some other methods, because that will become a habit and causes a lot of problems. The more you apply pressure, sit for long periods in the toilet and go on applying pressure, then you develop hemorrhoids, piles, or even other diseases, like if the portion is hard and you are applying pressure, it can tear and cause fissures and all. And some people even can get hernias and all that because of the pressure they are applying over the abdomen. So applying lot of pressure, mild pressure is required to clear the bowel, but applying lot of pressure and sitting for long periods is not a good habit at all.